This PC case is cheating? CORSAIR iCUE Link 6500X RGB. Glass, reverse boards and zero cable mess. Ever feel like your PC case is straight up sabotaging your build? Tangled cables strangling airflow, ugly internal screaming for mercy behind outdated glass? You're not alone.
Building should feel like creating a masterpiece, not fighting spaghetti wires, wasting hours rerouting cables, and cramming components into a cramped box.
But if you're here, chances are you've had that exact frustrating moment.
Stuck mid-build, hands cramping, realizing your modern case just killed your clean build dreams.
Wasted time. Lost motivation. Endless scrolling for a case that actually gets you. Sound familiar? You're in the right place. Now imagine the deadline. Your gaming setup reveal is tomorrow.
Friends are coming over, your rig's half done, and your old school case just blocked airflow like it's its job.
You're panicking.
Every cable is a betrayal, every dropped screw another ounce of stress.
Sweating yet?
We've all been there, one wrong case choice and your dream build turns into burnout. Missed gaming nights, crushed content creation deadlines, and worst of all, a build that screams mediocre instead of masterpiece.
Ask yourself, how many more builds will you ruin before upgrading your case game?
Introducing the CORSAIR iCUE Link 6500X RGB mid-tower dual-chamber case, aka the build revolution your rig deserves. 2 panoramic tempered glass panels show off your flex, while 3 RX 120 RGB fans and the iCUE Link system hub let you actually enjoy building again. Say goodbye to cable chaos thanks to dual-chamber design and reverse connector motherboard compatibility. Whether you're rolling Asus BTF, MSI Project Zero, or Gigabyte Project Stealth, this case is your backstage pass to the cleanest build of your life. It's not just a case, it's your command center, your showcase, your statement. With room for up to 10 fans, 360mm radiators, and insane airflow control, the 6500X RGB doesn't just look cool, it stays cool.
Your cables? Hidden. Your components? Spotlighted. Your workflow? Streamlined.
Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or RGB fanatic, this case transforms chaos into clarity.
Plus, it's so intuitive to build with, you'll wonder why every case isn't designed like this. Curious if it lives up to the hype?
Stick around, because in this video, we'll take you inside one of the cleanest, easiest, and most satisfying builds possible.
Thousands of builders have already ditched clutter for clarity with the CORSAIR iCUE Link 6500X RGB. So why wait? Stock won't last forever, these cases fly off shelves for a reason. Don't let your next build become another dusty, airflow-choked disappointment.
Seize your chance to build smarter, cleaner, and cooler. Hit that button, grab your 6500X RGB, and join the army of gamers and creators who finally found peace in the dual-chamber revolution.
Your future rig deserves this. Your sanity demands it. Build bold. Build brilliant. Act now.